Woohoo! I hope you have fun at Just for Fun Roller Rink, where we roller skated and learned about the history of roller skating. And I hope you enjoyed learning about an authentic Belgium dish. So if you're even half Belgian, you should be proud of such an amazing invention. Thank you, Belgium!
Hi, my name is Eliri, and welcome back to Khaki Colored Kidz hair care section. Today we're going to be putting her hair in a messy bun, and then we're going to be leaving some hair out down. Her hair is washed and clean. The first thing, you want to blow dry her hair because it might be a little bit more wet. And then you want to get your Khaki Colored Kidz hair detangler. You want to start spraying it. And then when you get done with that, you want to start making it from the ends and start making it up to the roots. And then when you get done parting, you want to start parting it. So you want to get all this hair from this side and get all the hair on this side. And then you want to twist it, and then you want to put it in a ponytail, and then you want to put it in a messy bun. There you go. And then you want to show her hair. I like it whenever I go left to right, my hair jiggles. See you next time. Bye. Braedon, what's wrong?
I'm just dry.
I know what he needs. Yes.
Ah! What are you doing? What? Ah!
Make sure you use Khaki Colored Kidz hair detangler. And make sure you use Khaki Colored Kidz moisturizer. Welcome to Khaki Colored Kidz Academy. Today we're going to be learning about the number 8, the letter H, and the shape heart. And when I think about black, I think about the night sky. Bye!
Hi, I'm Braedon, and we are Khaki Colored Kidz. Today we are reading Strictly No Elephants by Lisa Manchev. Every day I take my elephant for a walk. His is a very thoughtful sort of walk. He doesn't like the cracks in the sidewalk much. I always go back and help him over. That's what friends do. Today I'm walking my tiny elephant to number 17. It's a pet club day, and everyone will be there. Come along, there's a good boy. I coax him the last few feet. It'll be fine. When I look up, there's a sign on the door. Strictly no elephants. They won't let him in. My tiny elephant leads me back to the sidewalk, never minding the cracks. Did you try to get into pet club meeting too? Yeah, she said. The sign doesn't mention skunks, says the girl. He doesn't stink either. No, he doesn't. I agree. What if we start our own club? They're going to start their own club. They're walking. All the animals. They made their own sign. They're going to paint their own sign. All animals welcome. My tiny elephant will give you directions if you need them, because that's what friends do. Max, I just want to remind you, you are adorable, you are a great listener, and I hope you all enjoyed that book. Bye.
Bye.